पिंपल चांगलं दिसतंय.
Oh, thanks. Look at this. What is this? This keeps getting bigger. I woken up this morning and go, Kailash Parbat. Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome to a very exciting vlog. It is the 17th of July. I am in Gurugram. And the HarperCollins annual sales conference is happening today. And it's the first time I'm going to be on a stage speaking about the book, speaking about my journey as an author that has barely just started, but I'm very excited. 10 बज रहे हैं, मेरे ख्याल से 1-1.5 घंटे में रेडी होकर निकलना है. और आज सुबह उठते साथ ही, एक्चुअली कल आते साथ ही मैं समझ गई थी कि बहुत ही बुरी तरह से पैकिंग मैंने करी है. सो if you saw the vlog that came out before this, you will see how lousily I've packed and so confident I am that wow, कितनी जल्दी मैंने पैकिंग कर भी दी. मैंने मेकअप रिमूवर पैक नहीं करा, मैंने टूथब्रश टंग क्लीनर पैक नहीं करा, मैंने हेयर टूल्स पैक नहीं करे हैं. मैं बस अपने कपड़े, मेकअप, जूते, बस इतना लेके पहुंच गई हूँ. और ये पजामा टी शर्ट, बाकी सब कुछ बेंच और अंडरवियर उसके अलावा सब कुछ छोड़ के आ गई हूँ मैं. But we're going to start getting ready now. It's very exciting. Nervous वाला feeling आ रहा है, but I think it'll be fine. बस इतना करके then we go back home. So yeah, let's get started. It's just awkward to walk down a hall with no bags, nothing, just a key card. Also, I have stained my white kurta with makeup. My perfume has left rings. It's all very exciting for me this morning. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you.
Welcome. Thank you for making the time.
Thank you.
Rashmi is our executive editor.
Okay.
And that's Rahul Soni. He leads the literary list. He's our associate publisher.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Publisher.
Hi, great to meet you.
Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kohli. When Prajakta announced the book last June, the response we got was completely off the charts. And this June, when she announced a poll for the cover design, the response and engagement was so massive that even she was surprised. Too Good to Be True is the homegrown, true blue, heart-tugging, hugely relatable romance that we've all been waiting for.
I know what the title is. I know that you know. I wrote a book! Yeah, I'm writing a book! It is gone!
Please put your hands together to welcome Prajakta Kohli.
Girl, honestly, I'm just floating through it. Like, I'm just looking at it from... It's like an out-of-body experience for me. I have no clue who this person is who managed to actually start writing a book and then finished it, kind of, you know. And then now has the audacity to go ahead and publish it and is talking about it. So I'm just looking at it from like it is too good right now for me. Also the whole thing about, I mean, obviously it's my first book, but here, I mean, everyone works in it, so you know. But I must have read my book like 70 times, and every single time I have to write a new chapter, I have to go back to chapter 1, and I will never understand that. Just the number of times, and every time you read something, there's a new change you want to make, you're different as a person, your ideas are different. So just this constant trial and error, I had not expected to be the way it is. So it was extremely challenging for me. You've read it. You know there are these very bizarre one-lines every now and then that surprise me also. But I'm like, ये कहाँ से आया मेरे दिमाग में? So that I haven't felt in a really long time. So that's my kind of anchor to keep going back to it. Every time I feel like I'm feeling exhausted or I don't have any more ideas to complete this or rewrite this or think of new ways of treating this, I'll keep going back because I know there'll be one line that comes out that will surprise me. Okay, that was quick, but हो गया. पहली बारी आज अनाउंस हुआ है, बात हुई है कि the book will come out this year, December. the date, you know about the date very soon, when it is.
बट गुड डन. कपड़े मैंने चेंज कर लिए बिकॉज एज एक्सपेक्टेड पहले वाले वाइट कुर्ते में बहुत सारी चीज़ें लग गई, गिर गई, धब्बे आ गए. So now we are going to I think just chill for like 20-30 minutes and then we leave for the airport. Airport पहुंचने में कुछ 20-25 मिनट दिखा रहा है, but overall nice. I met so many booksellers. I met so many owners of chains of bookstores across the country. South से कुछ थे, North से कुछ थे, कोलकाता से कुछ थे. Overall across the country, people who like export books to other countries. Like इन सारे लोगों से मेरी बातें होती हैं. It was just very daunting and suddenly it started feeling daunting. It started feeling very real. कि अच्छा मतलब जब कुछ महीनों में वो छप के आ जाएगी तो like it will be like a thing that everyone will have on display in their bookstores. It will be on racks and it will be people will be able to skim through it and everything. That was just an idea in my head is actually going to be on paper and ink and it's a lot, but I'm happy overall. HarperCollins से सबसे बात करके भी अच्छा लगा. जो उनकी पब्लिशिंग एडिटिंग टीम है उनमें से बहुत लोगों ने इसके बारे में बातें करी हैं. I met my editor who's read everything I've written. Positive, so I'm feeling good. Okay. अब हम एयरपोर्ट जा रहे हैं तो हाँ कुछ दिखाने लायक तो है नहीं, तो मैं यहीं पे टाटा बाय बाय कर रही हूँ. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you should do that. It's free. Also, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm writing a book. I've written a book called Too Good to Be True. It's a romance fiction novel that's going to come out end of this year. So it's very exciting and you'll know more about it on my Instagram. So follow me there. Also यहाँ पे तो updates share होते रहेंगे. So yeah, I'll see you again soon until we meet. Love.